Okay. So as I was telling you, this was the eligibility that time. You can check they changed any eligibility for appearing in the exam in the brochure.
Okay, sir.
You
I
can
will check
check that.
with B. I will
Yeah, yeah,
discuss
yeah.
with.
Yeah. So the interest where it comes is normally if you take the facility managers in government institutes and all, they will recruit only civil people or electrical people.
Civil people and electric for facility managing, sir.
Yeah, if you go through the employment newspaper means, they will ask for executive engineer.
Okay, sir.
That executive engineer post is specifically meant for either civil or for electrical. They will mention it.
Okay, okay, sir. Because one
Because,
I discussed with one Leela Palace manager, chief
yeah,
engineer.
yeah, yeah.
He's a electrical engineer. He also
Uh,
asking about that energy auditing examination about.
yeah. So if you take what is the scope of the profession, mainly, fundamentally, it is there to do energy audits.
Okay, sir.
So the first main important thing is we can do energy audits across the industries in the commercial or in any type of industries.
Okay,
So
sir.
if you take the BE syllabus and all, if you take means they will give a notification like these are all the designated consumers (DCs).
Ah, yes, sir. This is available.
So if you see the designated consumers, it will be having some threshold consumption. So that if you cross that limit, it is known as a designated consumer. If they don't cross that limit, if they are inside this within this limit, means it will not fall under the category of DC.
Okay, sir.
So for example, a thermal power plant having a 20 megawatt, it may not fall if you take the overall production for a year. So per year, it will not come under that category of definition.
Oh, yes,
Of
yes.
the category is given with respect to their MTOE,
Yes,
metric
yes.
ton of oil equivalent.
30,000 metric ton.
Million ton of oil
Ah,
equivalent.
yes, sir.
So that is the threshold they have.
Okay, sir.
So this is with respect to thermal power plant, steel power plant, uh, fertilizer, chloralkali, even railway, commercial. Now, last few years they have included also railways and commercial buildings also. So
Okay,
this
sir.
kind of some 13 list is there. So all these industries require energy audit
Okay, sir.
in once in 3 years. So we can do for them. That is the main purpose of this thing is first if you clear three papers, you can become managers.
Yes, sir.
If we clear fourth one, we will become auditor.
Ah, yes.
So if you become an auditor means then we can do this kind of auditing for this kind of industries. There are earlier around there were around 400 types industries were there. Each year they are adding few industries to this DC list. I understand around rightly now around 600 it should be there. Around should be the approximate
600
number of,
industries, sir. Plus.
yeah, in India. In India.
Okay, sir.
In India, if you take and Maharashtra will be having slightly higher, and the second higher will be I think in Tamil Nadu only. Number of industries because all the cement plants and all that, na cement
Yes, sir.
plants, thermal plant, everything they put together. I'm saying
Okay, sir.
Tamil Nadu should be within top three list. The number of
Industries.
industries. But the issue is the number of people. One area where we can able to get absorbed is this kind of auditing companies. This kind of auditing companies are there across India.
Okay, sir. Auditing
From
companies.
so if you take from Delhi to here in Chennai, also down south, you can have a lot of number of companies which are doing audit. Either they will do audit for this bigger industries or they will do for smaller MSMEs. This kind of industry, small MSMEs and other type of companies where energy audit they are asking for. This is one kind of auditing companies is one kind of thing. So apart from this auditing companies, if you finish manager, the next possible avenue is for becoming a facility manager.
Okay, sir. For
Okay,
manager.
either you become a facility manager or else you can become next year you can qualify and become an auditor.
Okay, sir.
So the facility manager is the second opportunity what we have. Actually, if you facility manager, most people are like not able to correlate. Facility manager means can be able to do like lot of people are not knowing the importance actually. What we are studying in this course is utilities only.
Yes.
Either it is DG or either electrical system.
AC,
Everything.
heating and ventilation system. What are the
Yeah, yeah. So what happens is mechanical people will be very much knowing about HVAC systems, how to run air conditioning systems. That is part of their syllabus. They
okay,
can, if they want, they can additionally also able to know because of the working experience. They can able to know a lot of things about how to monitor and how to function, able to maintain the system.
okay,
So HVAC, one of the, because I am saying is HVAC will be one of the main components of energy consumption in any building. If
okay,
you go to any cinema theater, if you go to any mall, everywhere you can see major load will be HVAC only.
okay, sir.
So that is a major chunk. Lighting means 5%, 10% you can save. Some other measure you can say is only few percentage, but if you touch HVAC, you can save maximum amount of energy because that will be slightly complicated where other people cannot able to contribute. Only mechanical people can contribute.
Okay, sir. Only who have the energy auditing.
Yeah. Others means they have to know the knowledge, in-depth knowledge about the air conditioning. Okay, so one good thing about this energy is it is an interdisciplinary nature. Okay, mechanical people will see things in a different manner. Electrical people will see things in a other way.
Yes,
Chemical people will see look at in a other different perspective altogether. So it is good to have a team which is having all the three combinations.
yes, yes, sir.
If you are going for an audit, you can take the help of your other colleagues as well. So this is a very interdisciplinary nature. So
All
you
the
can say all can able to contribute. Just being a mechanical, you cannot say I don't know this electrical. After some now, you can initially you can able to learn it and you can able to come up to their level.
yes, design is
Okay.
very important. It's a ductile
Yeah,
design and everything very important.
So other cross learning should be there, and it should be since it is interdisciplinary, it is always important to have a cross functional team
Okay,
because in company also it will happen. If mechanical people means they will be taking care of maintenance, electrical people means only power side. So in company it will happen definitely.
yes,
Okay. But here you should be initially you should try to know what is that and try to have some kind of a grip, some kind of a confidence over the subject.
yes, sir.
Okay. Electrical, you cannot go and touch straight away. For I'm saying for other chemical and mechanical people, you cannot do anything because it is considering in safety aspects also you should consider.
Yes,
Because this is something which you don't see in your eyes, how much current is going, voltage is going, where to handle the instruments, because all power measurements we have to take. We cannot go and just do that because it may trip.
special equipment required.
Yeah, if it trips means that that will incur a lot of losses for the company. One trip
Yes,
itself kind of process will shut down and all the materials which are getting processed now they cannot able to use. Then it could end up losses in crores, especially in process industry. So this should be very much you should be very aware of. Initially, it might be slightly you should do the hard work and you should try to learn these things
okay,
how to handle all the equipments. So as I was telling you, this facility manager you can able to apply.
okay, sir.
Okay, because
One
one
application is facility manager for energy
yeah,
manager.
earlier as I told you, you can become auditing line. You can choose and go.
Okay,
Second thing is you can choose this facility manager line because all the places now, if you go to any hotel, any mall, because any facility, you need some people to manage it, run the show.
yes, yes, sir. Because more
Electric,
important
yeah,
AC, air
yeah,
conditioning, lighting system we need to
yeah.
maintain.
Yeah, because electrical people will be having C license.
Yes,
Because if transformer is there, means they for that operating C license they may prefer.
okay. For
Okay.
C license for basically used for erections only, because we are
Yeah,
going
but
to auditing means it is also required for
it is
auditing.
not rated for auditing line.
Okay,
But for safety concerns and if you are like for any taking any kind of work now, then they will require the C license.
yes, that means if we are
Mm,
recommendation, we need to change that some parts.
yeah.
Then for erection purpose, they need a C license.
C lessons.
Ah,
But
okay.
normally for because to have a safety purpose also,
Okay.
they are requesting this certificate.
Yes, yes,
So
right.
yeah, so if electrical people additionally they can able to get that one. and mechanical people can concentrate on HVACs. So
Okay, sir.
HVAC system, they can additionally they can able to know how what are the systems are there, how to fine tune the systems. That thing they can additionally beyond the syllabus. So these things they're gonna process chemical people will be already knowing certain things. They can also interlearn some of the aspects.
Okay, sir.
So this facility manager is a very good opportunity because what happens is, as I told you earlier, on government companies only civil and electrical people are eligible. Okay. So both, if you have this kind of certificate, it will be very much beneficial to you to get absorbed.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Uh, but civil, I have to check with the eligibility. But as far as electrical is concerned, they can able to.
Okay, sir.
And for mechanical people, facility manager roles they can able to try. So
Okay.
apart from this, because apart from this.